Hey Jacob!
Hey Kite, how are you doing?
I'm great, how are you doing?
Very good. Would you like some water?
Oh yes, please.
Yeah, absolutely.
That'd be nice.
Welcome to the demo kitchen.
So what does cooking instructor do here at Correc?
Of course. So as a cooking instructor, our job is really to help educate and teach the patrons of the CoRec how to cook. So coming to a cooking demonstration, we'll give everybody kind of tips and tricks on how to cook. Show you the way we do it.
So what is your favorite ingredient when you cook?
My favorite ingredient by far is garlic. I'm somebody who loves garlic, put it in everything.
Is there any food you don't like then?
Yes, olives. I can't eat any olives at all. You mind grabbing me the onion?
Oh yeah, okay. What is the best part of your job?
Best part of the job is kind of being able to share my passion for cooking with all the rest of the people who come to the CoRec.
Are you getting any skills here at the CoRec?
Absolutely. So when you come to a demo, right, there's only 1 hour you'll be here. So we need to do a lot and cook a lot in that 1 hour. Time management is key. We have to be on top of many things at once.
What was the last meal you made?
The last meal I made, beer cheese with pretzels.
Oh, how long did it take it?
Very quick, right? Beer cheese, we just make a little roux, add in all the cheese, almost like a mac and cheese without the noodles.
What are the strangest food you ever eaten?
The strangest food I've ever eaten, stinky tofu. It's like normal tofu, but made with fermented soybeans.
What is the easiest ingredient you work with?
Easy ingredient, easily cheese. Cheese by far. Cheese is easy because you can undercook it and it still tastes good, and you can overcook it and it tastes even better.
What is the hardest?
Hardest, eggs. Eggs you think of as pretty easy, but eggs are actually very sensitive to temperature, heat, how much you whisk them, etc.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is lamb shawarma. Lamb cooked on a spit with a bunch of vegetables and Greek yogurt sauce.
Any cooking tips for our audience?
Absolutely. Always be tasting, ABT. That's what we tell people in the business. What that means is taste it every step of the way. Make sure you're not under-seasoning or over-seasoning your food.
Great tips, thank you.
Thank you. Come back to the demo kitchen.
I will. Have a good meal.
Absolutely. Thanks.